Kevin Mel, and today we're drinking Stillwater Artisanal brontide. Stillwater Artisanal is out of Baltimore, Maryland, and literally that's about all you can figure out from them on the internet. They may have the worst website ever. I mean, it's real pretty, but it doesn't tell you anything about the beer, where they make it, what's in it. This is they call it a black ale. I guess it's technically a dark Belgian ale. It's got some malt in it, don't know what. The only thing they do mention is they use Belgian yeast on it. So DJ, if you're watching this one, you need to get down there and kick their ass. They need to update this website. It sucks. But let's give it a crack and see what we got. We are making a bit of a mess here today. Wow. Now this, I have not shaken this up at all. It's been sitting warming up. And yeah, really high energy. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. We do have, maybe a dark red, depending on where you put it in the light, but you can see through it. So it's not like a stout or a real dark porter. So again, that would lend credence to the fact that it's a Belgian dark ale. And you have, well, at this point I'm down to about 3 fingers of head, but we had it's a really tight white bubbles on it, tight bubbles on it, not white, and it's definitely a brown head on it. This is 5% ABV, and again, that's about all it says on the can. Let's do aroma. You do definitely get that Belgian. I'm getting a little bit of banana, a little bit of clove. Malt-wise, I'm not getting a lot of roasty dark chocolates. Maybe just a slightest hint of caramel. It almost smells like a Hefeweizen, actually, a true German one. So let's do taste. Yeah, definitely a Belgian dark ale, and reasonably decent. It's quite sweet. But not cloyingly sweet. A lot of times with Belgians, I actually don't particularly enjoy them because after about 2 sips, it's just too sweet, too much sweetness. It does got a little bit of acidic back end taste, a little bit of bitter on the back end. A little bit of clove, a hint of the banana, a little brown sugar. All in all, it's a decent attempt at a Belgian dark ale. It's drinkable. It has a little bit of flavor. It probably needs to beef up some of those flavors. But other than that, like I said, one of my biggest gripes on it is I can't figure anything out about this beer. I mean, we're out there promoting your beer when we review it, and if you're not going to help us, it just makes our job more difficult. And I'm not patting myself on the back that I'm promoting a beer, but it's just like part of what I like to do is tell a little bit of backstory. That's part of what I like to do in my reviews. I'm not thrilled with it. On the flip side, it's not a terrible beer. We'll give it a 70 out of 100. Till next time, keep drinking.